I'm now double streaming or simulcasting to YouTube and to YouTube and Twitch. And I want to see if that has an effect on the performance, because it looks like it has. Let me double check. Let's stop the YouTube stream. Why is this at 60%? Any online shop that does not sell the demo of Cakez is useless. Hey, my man. True. That's a true statement. Couldn't be truer. Let me double check here. Did the connection drop? No, actually it didn't. Okay. Yeah, I don't know what this is. I'm a little worried by this much. This is way too much GPU. Let me troubleshoot a little bit more. I'm completely stumped. I'm having 40-50% OBS GPU. That is from 2002. High GPU utilization when OBS is idle. OBS using too much GPU resources 1 year ago. Way too much GPU usage. How can I decrease deep GPU usage? How about that? Turn off preview. You basically answered your own question in the very first sentence. Wait a minute. Are you telling me that when I'm looking at OBS, it is using 20% more GPU? What? No. That's why I got 2 PCs set up for streaming. I tried that. It was really annoying. Doesn't work like that anymore. Seems like. Nope. You can include your settings for the encoding. What GPU are you using? Turning off the preview is a must thing if you really want your GPU breath. I don't think it does. Move out the volume section for OBS next to my browser so I can see. Preview ate up 20% of my GPU when it didn't run as administrator. After that it fixed, and yes, I went back to version 28, the new one version 29. Just shit on quality, and GPU was so stressed to push the same settings what I had on version 28. I do streams on that, but it was a little bit crazy and mess with CSGO, fast motion problems on 7K bitrate. Ended up using, it's not worth to stress your GPU. Maybe I should go back to version 28. Browser acceleration did nothing to me back in time, just no big difference to try and see. GPU needs stress release, yeah. Thank you so much for taking the time to respond. I apologize for not seeing the message earlier regarding your questions. I appreciate your suggestion. For my coding settings, I have attached a log. Could you try disabling browser source hardware acceleration? Let's try that. There is a setting that enables browser source acceleration. Where is this? Wait, it is already disabled. The program must restart. That sucks. I use Linux on my stream box, so I would not know of such issues. Maybe enable it? I don't think so. Also, I have to restart the stream to do that, which fucking sucks. It's gonna be a different one. Let's see, what else do they... Nah, okay, there's no help here at all. I'm completely GPU usage. It's crazy, that is too much GPU usage. Are you having any performance issues? Most likely you aren't stressing your GPU enough to take it out of its idle power state. So the reported usage is based on a much lower limit. If you really want to verify, get GPU Z and check if the performance cap displays idle. Okay. Do I have this? No, let's get GPU Z. Download. I like this one. This one's cool. Where's the download button? Here. See, this is how you download stuff really fast. I love this. And it probably just runs, right? No installation needed. Will you add an entry for the start menu? Yes, I guess. Then start. Oh, fine. Hardware acceleration is horrid at times. At one point in history, stream hardware acceleration stole half of my GPU power, and when the GPU crashed, the stream UI also went blank. Great. Max have 0 installation. Yeah, this used to have 0 installation in the past too. This used to be just a zip file. Alright, so let's see. What am I supposed to look at? GPU check if pre-cap displays idle. Performance cap. Where is this? Do you know where to look here? Where do I look? Sensors? Idle. Aha. Okay, so power consumption, voltage. Not sure what that means. GPU load, 27%. Oh, I see. Okay. So it is lying. It says 40% here, but it is actually only 30%, 20%. And I'm recording at the same time. Okay. No, that's fine. I'm happy with this. All right, fine. Let's... What was that? Your card is a beast? You know, this card was gifted to me by an incredibly generous person called Trutor. He like gave me, I think in total in euros what I got was like 530 or something, 50 euros. Schultz, thank you. That was insane. Shit. How do I, like, no. That burp as a thank you. Maybe we should do MP3 today. Yeah, maybe. Or I could say thank you to Travis Roman for telling me about the free-to-use CapCut software that he told me about yesterday. I was having a blast with this software yesterday. Actually, the entire night. I think I made like 5 or 6 shorts that I would have otherwise not made because I talk too much in the shorts and I hate having to put all of the fucking text on top of it. Why is there recycle bin on the bottom right? Doesn't that mean you are set in it? Oh shit. Wait, is it correct now? Yeah. Close. Guys, today's PoE, man. Yay! want to be programmed in the game today. Any suggestions here? Is there something interesting? This from Verit. This one seems a little bit sexist for me to react to. I think you're just debating me to say some sexist bullshit. And so, like, yeah, what actually happens during a Stack Overflow? Like, nerdy gal with pigtails explaining coding concepts. Yuck. I think this is a little too negative, my friend. Grandma explaining how MPEG decoding encoding works on a Linux. Can't recycle cakes, he cannot be reused for... What? What are you talking about? I would ban you, you know? But it's your first one. You get your first strike. Camcut sounds like some PCB making software. Is this long? Nine minutes. Andrea Bormann, is she smart? Really smart? Hi.
Hello, I'm Andrea and I'm on Linux again. I'm on Debian Mate and this is a quick video on how to convert FM MPEG files to whatever format you want. That's video files on that. I'll just show you what I mean. This is the terminal. And this is what I'm running. I'm running Debian Bookworm with the Mate desktop, as you can see here.
She's smarter than like 90% of the population already. It's insane, man.
And I will open the terminal again.
Oh man, this is
and
awesome.
I will type this.
FFmpeg.
Now, this is FM, what is it? PEG. Now, because in Linux there's a lot of terminal-based applications and not graphical ones, and this is what you can use to convert files.
She misclicked. Did she?
But you know, it's very complicated to do it in the terminal. There's a lot of fiddling about, and I can't do it. There is an easier way to do this. And that is to install a software specially for that, which is this.
Misty IQ video converter.
This is what I've got here. Misty Q video converter. And this is what it is.
This is Linux Mint and not Debian.
Well, there's another option as well. I'll show you in the package manager so that you know, because there's two main video converters that you can use to convert sound files and video files.
What the fuck? SA
Just type this in
or
here.
PW for password?
There's this option, QWinFF. I'll show you what it is. It will bring up a picture of it in a minute. This is what I had on here, and well, I did have this on Linux Mint, you know, which my Linux Mint is based on Ubuntu. And
so, like, just a question, you know, about Linux users. Does every Linux user like advertise their version like a vegan does about their diet? Like, so my Linux version is actually the 21.5 B version, you know, the branch especially made for high quality coding applications. Okay, so I can code 5% faster than everyone else because in that little branch there's a coding file that is specially designed for that. Okay, so that is why my Linux application is better than yours. Okay, and you should join me. It's called distribution. Yeah, not application, distribution. You're speaking Linux now? Yeah, okay, I see. So basically Linux are the vegans, or Linux users are the vegans for the normal people. Okay. Yeah, I'm a Linux user. So like the reason why I'm saying this, right, is because Hildon was so proudly talking about his streaming setup and how his streaming computer was operating on Linux and he doesn't have all of these issues that Windows has, right? So you just saying that. And, you know, when I made the Zig video, most people were talking about how the issues that I had were mostly a Windows issue, which, you know, leads me to believe that these are either Mac or Linux users. And oftentimes they are very proud of that. Just saying.
You know, I'm on Debian now. But the thing is, this is quite... Well, I thought it was a bit bloated because it installed MPlayer, not the graphical interface of MPlayer, just the terminal-based media player. And as I don't use MPlayer, I didn't see why I needed it. On Debian, it's different because it...
This is also like a Linux user thing, right? Where it's like, oh, wait, it installed this one program that is way too much. Sudo rmrf your project.
This doesn't depend on MPlayer. And so, in the end, I decided on... In the end, I decided on this one here.
Holy shit, Omega Destroyer. Thank you very much for donating $2. You're so kind, man. Thank you.
Mystic Q. And
average
instead of fiddling
22-year-old
about in the terminal and messing around with the terminal trying to convert files, you can use this.
Linux user.
And I'll show you how it works.
Yeah, I find it quite funny that the first 3 minutes of the video is her talking about how Linux is great, what type of options you have to convert on Linux, and how she is annoyed about some of these options being on the system. It is great. Yeah, okay, fine. Do you think you would have eventually become a Linux user if you hadn't sudo rmrf'd your project? I think my opinion about Linux would be much higher if I didn't do that. If I hadn't done that, my opinion about Linux would have been much higher. But I don't think I would have ever become a Linux user simply because it is more annoying to run games on Linux than it is on Windows. So I'm a gamer. I just want to plug and play. You're using a game engine. Are you using a game engine? No, Ds. CCDs, nuts. I'm using C++ code. Linux users are like audio users, very proud, but after all, you have to search deeply for advantages. Hey, I like that reference. Yeah, true.
What I will do is just close this.
Okay.
I'll add a file. Now what I'm going to do is go to my music folder, sounds folder. I'm going to give you an example of how it works. You can convert sound files into any format. Let me just go to user share and sounds. Now this is Linux Mint login, which is a WAV file. I'm going to
open that.
Open this. And this is the one I'm going to convert. Now what I'm going to do is convert it to OGG.
Okay.
You know, because if you want to create a startup sound or a system sound, you
need
know
an OGG file, I guess.
You might want to convert it to the format. Now I'm going to start this. Look. This is what you do.
Okay, and why does it take so long for literally 691 kilobytes? It's still on 0%. Pause recording.
Click convert.
Oh, I see. It was fast. Okay.
It's done already.
Yeah, it's 600 kilobytes.
And this is the sound file, and now I'm going to play it.
Cool.
And it plays, so
she's
this is
crazy,
the format
yeah.
it's been converted to now.
Like, how old is she? Would be cool if we could see her again.
Say I want to convert it to what?
She's already
Windows
9%
Media View.
than she's already smarter than 90% of the general population, by the way.
Let me add another file.
Top 10% at minimum. Maybe even top 1%.
I'm going to take this.
No idea, but she has
login
videos that
sound
are
here
13
from
years
Ubuntu
old.
And do this. And you can also convert them into Windows media files. Let's see if it works. If we
It should
can.
work. Convert. Yeah.
And it's done.
Mm-hmm.
Let's see if it plays. Yeah.
Holy shit, that's a long login. Oh my goodness.
And it also works with videos. I've got a test video here. Which is this. This is the test video. Hi, just doing a video about... yeah, that's just a test video. But what I'm going to do is bring up...
That sounded like you're building an Age of Empires 2 here, kinda. What the fuck are you watching,
without
lol?
having to use the terminal, because some users on, here have done, using the terminal, but this is a much easier way to do it.
This is a 70-year-old lady who is showing how to convert video files on Linux.
I'm going to
Java.
take this. And then
The impressive part is her
what I'm going to
age
do this time is convert
and
it
her
to
knowledge.
MP4, because that's the format that's best used for uploading videos. I can choose high quality or full screen, but I'm just going to make it standard. So I'm going to convert.
That takes a little bit of time. I think it's too slow, actually, but yeah.
And
Maybe the
it's done.
computer isn't that powerful.
I'm going to play it now.
Her video just popped up in my feed 2 days ago.
Just doing a video about,
Sounds like she knows what
webcams
she's
and,
doing.
just a test video, which I'm going to convert, into Windows media format or maybe MP4 format.
She's literally 10 years older than my mom.
And it also converts videos into Windows
And it's
media
like
format.
much more
So that
handy
is
with the
how
computer. It's crazy.
You can convert.
I know how much problems my mom has. I'm pretty sure if her computer goes
FMPG.
broke, she could just fix it herself.
And look. It's a converter here. So this is quite new because QWinFF is quite old. It's not been updated since 2015. It's a Qt application, but it works on all Linux desktops, and it works on Ubuntu, Linux Mint, and on Debian as well. So this is how you can convert files on Linux. So I hope this helps you, and I'm Andrea, and see you in the next video. Cheerio.
Goodbye. Yeah, awesome. Now the impressive part is that she is very old.
Video files on that.
And not the Cheerio. She was doing so well. You don't like Cheerio? Intriguing? Yeah, it is really intriguing. She codes to the metal. I don't know if she's coding games, but I wouldn't, how do you say that? I wouldn't get it. I wouldn't, how do you say that, man? I wouldn't be surprised. Yeah, exactly. I wouldn't be surprised if she did code games. Exactly. I think she can make it big in YouTube. More research was already put into this single video than LTT has over the existence of his channel. I wouldn't put it past her. Is that how you say that too? Is she the most senior programmer alive? I don't think so. Maybe I'm pretty sure there's other ones. But she's the most senior programmer probably that is also doing YouTube videos. Probably. God, I love this. I can focus a YouTube video and start and stop music. That's nice. She has a lot of water bottles. Oh yeah. I wonder if she's like hoarding them. That's a bit odd, yeah. +1 sub from me. Didn't say smash that like button. True. What type of videos does she have? She has 233 videos. How to use YTDLP on Linux to save your own videos. Oh, that one is good. 7,000 views, actually not bad. Holy shit, 2 weeks ago, Debian 12 with the GNOME desktop. She's popping off, man. Holy moly, look at those. Goodness. This channel has my own videos that I made myself and has media type topics. I try LXQT live. Okay, cool. That's some really good stuff here. Wow. How to use this? Oh, this one really popped off. 300,000 views. I didn't even see that. This one must be her most popular video then. How to uninstall Internet Explorer completely. And then like a face, like you're just completely done with the other person. Like, ugh, you disgust me. Just get away from me. I'm so done. 13 years ago, yeah. Baddie. Let's watch it. It's too long. How to get rid of this shit. Goodness. She made videos before Cakez could use a PC. Okay, bro, I've been using PCs for a while, yeah. All right, so thank you very much for the video, Verit. I really appreciate it. She gives me goals. I'm not gonna watch this because I'll get cancelled if I watch this, okay? Pretty girls can also code, okay? Let's stop. This one sounds interesting. It's a Twitter post. There's a game coming out where you have to play in 2D and 3D. Still ignoring collector's messages? No. Lol? Lol? Does this even make sense? What? Does this make any sense? What? He can't see it. It does? I mean, I believe it. This is a hella cool idea. Really? You think so? To me, it looks a little bit tedious, to be honest. Is it a bit too loud? This is super cool. Really? Maybe I just don't see it. Okay. She's lost quite a lot of weight through the years. Yeah, it looks like she did. Maybe she did some sport. Needs a bit of work, but the idea is spot on. I mean, we'll see. Dextro, 6.9 million views and 100,000 likes. I don't know the ratio, if that is good, but it looks good. But it's not made by this Dextro guy. There is a game coming out. And if you click on the post, actually we are on the post. Screen bound. After 30 minutes of gameplay, that's what I think, yeah. That is exactly what I'm thinking. What's gonna happen? This is the most TikTok brain thing I've ever seen.
And then go vegan.
And then this is someone that is farming interaction. You should be able to download this shit. Me after playing this. Doesn't look fun at all. So I'm not the only person that thinks that. Cool, but that would make me vomit. We'll see, right? We'll see. I'm not trying to be negative. I'm just trying to be like honest here, right? It looks a little bit like yeah, the screen is like it's literally in the middle, right? You don't know where to focus. That makes me like wonder a little bit if the idea is cool, but maybe it doesn't work. Hello, Zend, my man. Hope you're doing good. Okay, let's do some coding. We'll do some coding. And still ignoring collector's messages? No, I'm not ignoring the messages, by the way. I keep them stacked up so I remember to click on it. It's like a to-do list. Also, push message here as well is like a to-do list for me. Otherwise, I will forget it, you know. I want to see the sequel as seen through 3 levels of gaming devices. Okay. But to make it interesting for others, they need to have more visual cues, I think at least. Like, it makes sense for the author and a niche group of gamers. Yeah, I mean, you will probably find a niche group of gamers. Yeah, maybe. All right. Let me quickly... Cakez, did you sleep last night? What's going on with your sleep schedule? I didn't sleep during the night, no. I'm currently preparing for the PoE launch, so we will play through the night. And then after that, I will stream. I will come online later tonight for the PoE launch. We will hopefully play through the night, if everything goes good. And then on Saturday, somewhere, I will stop streaming and then I will fix my sleeping schedule. Yeah. Because currently it is kind of fucked up, yeah. Alright, I think we have done the poison cloud. I think it's a little bit weak, but we still can't... I still didn't... what is it called? Not animate. I didn't balance anything yet. Good plan, yeah. So yeah, I'm definitely a bit tired from yesterday, for sure. I think I've been awake for 14 hours at this point. I'm curious, so if you want to tell me more, have you looked into PowerShell in advance? Have you found it any more difficult from scripting you know of? I have looked into PowerShell a little bit, but I'm gonna learn on the job. So, yeah, that's about it for PowerShell. What do we work on today, guys? I actually don't know, to be honest. Let's see, type, skill. We have the Wolfram fixed ability. We could make this ability better. Work on something cool. Yeah, what would that be? .5T Godot project. Well, we could do the poison puddle around this guy as an ultimate. We could work on the ultimate. And then that would allow me to create... Also, let's move the gold up here. How about that? Do some UI stuff. Display gold. Draw gold. There we go. Draw UI number, draw UI sprite, position. Display rounds, display gold. For example, here. UI is cool. Well, actually UI is kind of shitty. to be honest. Draw level info at the top. Gold display. So I suppose we use the position. And then we do position.x plus equals 10. I think we need to do more. Yeah. Like 50 or something? Also, it looks like the... Oh, holy shit, the font for the gold is way too big. I think it's 1.5. What do you guys think? I think the spacing is a little off, maybe 40. I think that's a bit too much, too little. How about 44? Yeah, looking good. By the way, guys, I saw TCAP streaming yesterday. What was he working on? That looked like some sort of... he was looking at some files that were... Übersetzt in English. Fuck, my brain is not working if I haven't slept much. What is that called? What is it called, man? Fuck. Translation files. Localization files. Let me see here. Test something
How one
here.
developer...
Put that. There we go. Okay. Lol? Really? Interesting. L18N or internationalization. Cakes, why didn't you sleep? Because tonight is going to be the PoE league, and it just happened so that my sleeping schedule was already going a little bit too far overboard. You know, I used to work till like 4 a.m. into the night, sometimes 5 a.m. And so then I just said to myself, well, it's already shifting back. I'm gonna shift it back even further so that I can like do a loop, if that makes sense. Right. Oh, by the way, Travis Roman, thank you so much for the, what is it called? Cap cut? Was it called?
7
Cap
stars. My man,
thank you
for $3. Hey Cakez, what do you think is the coolest feature in your game? Either one that is implemented or that you have a plan for. Also, you're not allowed to be tired until you have been awake for at least 7 septillion 777 sextillion 777 quintillion 777 quadrillion 777 trillion 777 billion 777 million 777,777 hours. JK, take some rest, dude.
Thank you, man. I appreciate the support, bro. I really do. Thank you so much. What is the best feature of my game? I think the best feature of my game is this skill tree. The coolest feature. And the ability to specialize your characters in the skill tree. And then maybe there is only a certain amount of skill points that you can spend. So you can't completely go into all skill points, but I guess you will just be able to go into all. Yeah, you will probably just be able to pick up all of them. That I think is the best feature of my game, because it allows for very high customization of your characters. It works pretty well, doesn't it? Yeah, it does. It is really cool. I spent a lot of time trying to figure out how I can like save my preset and then keep reusing the same preset, so I don't have to click myself through the menu selecting the font, you know, outline and stuff like that. That took a bit of time to get there, because there was like no save preset and load preset button for the generation process there. But in the end, I figured out a way to do that. And then, yeah, I think I made like 5 or 6 shorts. It's not really a way to do the auto-generated text. Yeah, there is not. What I found you could do is just leave one text on and then just, delete the previous video file and still have that one text on the timeline, and then put a new one in and then generate the text for that new timeline, and then it would just keep the settings. And then you can duplicate your projects if you want to have separate projects. Wasn't there something really that's awesome? Yeah, you can just leave one on the timeline, one text. It needs to be a text that has the check mark for all other texts, you know, the one for all. I'm pretty sure you know what I mean. And then you just leave it on the timeline, you delete the rest of the clip, and then you put a new clip in there and generate it again without clearing, and then it will just be the same, whatever that's called. And if that doesn't work, you can click and unclick the check mark, and then it would update the rest. So yeah, I've been trying to figure out a way, because that was annoying. I was not gonna do the steps every time. Yeah, and then if you want to keep your work on your clips, you can duplicate your projects so that you have one project for each. But I just keep one project at the moment. Wasn't there something you was going to finish at the end of the last stream? Did you finish it off stream? I forgot what it was. That's why, I need this thing. I guess we do the spreading poison cloud, I suppose. Why not? Tier 4 ability. It doesn't even tell me what the violations were, but okay. Let's close this. I found doing the steps every time was still faster than adding the titles manually, though, so I dealt with it. Oh, I see. I just deleted the entire clip and let one title. I kept one title, and that worked. But yeah, if you know what you're doing, and generating that every time is still faster than generating like 5, 6, 7 clips or texts, right? And what I really like about the program is that you have a list of the entire text that is in the short, and you can edit that text like a book, or like, you know, a small little note that you have, which is really, really helpful. Why am I opening this? Like, go away. I wanted to open, what did I, oh my god, my brain. I wanted to open Aseprite. Yeah, I got it, I got fast at it, but I'm going to try that. I did know about that. It's pretty sweet. Yeah, I think it's still a little bit faster than redoing the steps. And for me, I'm just trying to look to automate most things. All right, so we made this skeleton yesterday. And we could give him a spear throw ability that pierces all enemies and does a lot of physical damage. Okay, fine, we do it. Let's open recent skeleton walk, right? Okay, so we have this walk, which looks so it looks so bad. Is there not a way to like also wait, edit? How did I change this again? Invert. Huh?
Kann ich bitte nur 2 Minuten Staubsaugen? Ich hab das nicht.
Lass mich das doch später machen.
Ich bin dabei. Es dauert nur 2 Minuten.
Bruh, my wife needs to vacuum clean. If she really has to do it now. I told her to, yeah, whatever. Yeah. So I'm gonna have to mute myself. Oh, did you find a solution for the hitbox issues? Was that it? Yeah, we will figure out a solution for the hitbox issues as we go along with the game. How did I like invert this again? Hey? Flip this horizontally. I see here. Flip horizontally. No, wait. Not the sprite, the entire thing. Wait. Ah, canvas horizontally. There we go. That skeletal dude looks much better than yesterday. Really?
Ich mach das auch, ne?
Okay, guys, I'm gonna mute myself for a second.
Gotcha, bitch.
Hop on the spicy meat. Yeah, boy.
How do I disable this welcome message thing?
Okay, I'm back. There are a few women in the world who will tolerate you, let her vacuum when she wants. Shut the fuck up. Shut the fuck up, bitch. Fuck you. Rude. Fucking rude. That's all it is. Okay. What I really don't like is that there's this separation always. And this looks like the leg. This leg is in front. I think that's why it looks weird. And this leg actually... Yeah, maybe it's because... Oh, that looks so odd. Did you create everything in the game? Art, music, programming, etc.? Yeah, I did, Punny. He needs slippers with the little rosebuds and red bow tie. What are you talking about, brother? What are you talking about, brother? I don't know what you're talking about, because that sounds weirder. Weirder. Oh, man. Like, how do I do that? Oh, wait. The spear is here. Okay. All right. So this leg is completely deformed. We have to make sure that this leg looks good. Did you eat eggs today? No, actually, did I eat something? Not yet. Not really. I will eat later, before the stream. Before the PoE stream. That's when I will eat. So yeah, the issue is... First and foremost, this leg moves one down, which I think is wrong. Boom. And then this leg is supposed to... show... Like, it's supposed to show that it is in front, if that makes sense. It needs to be in front. And then this leg right here... I think it's too much. Right? Maybe not. No fuel for brain, no sleep for brain. Hello, Detta. Good morning. Long time no see. How have you been? I'm good, man. I'm good. I'm slowly getting back into my game. And good morning, Inukai. Everything all right? You look horrible? I do look horrible. Yeah, I do. Do I look horrible? Do I look horrible? I'm a bit red. Yeah, my skin's a bit dry. Beautiful.
I don't want to be like Cakez.
Like always, so yes, nails. Ah, fuck you. That is very cringe, sir. Uh-huh. Mm-hmm. Maybe like that. Maybe that. I think the issue is that this leg becomes too dark over time. Like for example, over here we have this. Where's that happening, right? I think it's too dark. Yeah, man, I'm not a good skeleton guy. Looks kind of weird. Let's see, how does it look? Here is a loose pixel, by the way. This looks good. There's another loose pixel. There needs to be a pixel here. There needs to be a pixel here. That looks good. That looks good. Looks like it's missing a frame in the middle. Yeah, between this one and this one, I think. But it's fine. It's okay. It's not perfect, but it's fine. There's a stray yellow pixel at the bottom. Oh, thank you. Lol, actually there was. Thank you very much. What is this, by the way? This looks odd too. What the fuck is that supposed to be? Goodness. Let's copy this. Put that here. I suppose that could work. Looks more like an alien, you think? Omega Destroyer? How's your game coming along, by the way? I have a feeling that something is completely off. Is it this? Is it this lag? It's like the legs swap sides, yeah. Legs are switching order. It looks like this leg is behind or is in front. Maybe it's too long. Maybe that's the issue. It looks like a perspective issue, right? Maybe I have to get rid of some stuff here. So it's still not. Yeah, this is starting to look better. Huh. A bit better, right? He ain't reading chat. We lost weird. Let's post weird questions. Have you seen Jason and our Argonauts? It had the best skeletons. No. I think this is it. I think I figured it out. There we go. There is a skip. Wrong leg goes first from the starting frame. No. I see what you mean. This leg needs to move to the left, while this leg needs to move forward. And in the frame, this leg is here, while this leg, yeah. So essentially, I need to take that part, move that here, somewhere, and then this part just needs to move back. And maybe one up, but not more. Okay. Hey, cheeseburgers.
Thank you, Gouda Cheeseburgers, for 100 bits.
I appreciate it very
Cheer
much, man.
100.
Thank you. Pipes, thank you, sir. Sir. Thank you so much for the big support. And I guess the pipes. I appreciate it, bro. I appreciate it very much. Thank you so much for the support. Does this work? Holy shit, this looks wrong too. I think the biggest issue is that it just swaps locations with the other leg. I don't know, man. I can't make it work with this shitty skeleton, bro. It's too difficult. It looks like it's swapping legs. I just don't know how to do it, guys. I'm too stupid. I'm too stupid, guys. I don't know how to do it. Find a goddamn example animation. No. I think the issue is Cakes? Yeah, I'm gonna take a look in a second, okay? This is bad. Windybeard Giga Artist does out of his way for a reference. Cakes. Tree Art refuses a reference. Wait, he's that good? Windybeard, are you that good? A common trick is to make sure the back leg is always a bit darker than the front one. Yeah, I'm trying to do that. But I'm not getting that done, bro. That skeleton is ready for a catwalk, really? Ah, man, I'm disappointed. Whatever, it is how it is. I'm just gonna keep it like that now. It is how it is. Amen. This is shit! This is the shitty frame. This frame is the issue. He's jumping up, which he shouldn't. This lag needs to be one down. Hey! But then it just switches legs. Pisses me off. Can you show all the frames so far? Just entered stream cakes? Sure. I know it's this frame. Ja. Hä, warum? Okay. Apparently showering on car Friday, I don't know, on like Easter Friday is bad. Apparently. Like this gets even worse. Like she's becoming crazy. What's going on? Dude, I just took a shower. The fuck? Yeah. What the fuck? She's lost it? Yeah. Like this is crazy town. She doesn't like mean it, but apparently, like, what is wrong with these people?
Hello, Cakez.
Hello, my gets up. Catholic? No. Why are you giving Nix the Asian treatment? Stop ignoring. Alright, I'll go fuck myself. What? Cakes? How soon do you need this? What? No, I don't want you to make it for me. I don't need this soon at all. Please. You're just putting pressure on me. I don't want that. I'm trying to figure out the problem here. I appreciate the effort, but yeah, need to do it myself. I think it's this frame. Showered on Easter Friday. Oh no, you're fucked, JK. Not sure what is that about. Yeah, like I never heard that up until now. I don't know. Maybe the skeletons could roll around like this. Maybe it's because... Maybe I need a middle frame. Just making it so that this moves like a tiny bit in front.
Am I so out of touch? No.
Gouda Cheeseburgers is gifting 1 subs to the community.
Hey, my man, Cheeseburgers, thank you so much. I really appreciate the support, bro. You're such a generous person and also 100 bits earlier. Thank you, man. Thank you for gifting a sub to Azen. I think... we are slowly moving this leg behind now. So I'll take that part. And then I'm slowly moving it back. Just slowly. Shit. No, wait. I have an idea. We draw that here. And then... you know, some stuff here and then some stuff here. That's going to be dark. Right? And then we... do that, I think. Then we can, you know, slowly get rid of this here. Something like that. Now that's making it a little too thick. Definitely looks a bit odd.
No.
I Jason _ just subscribed.
Hey man, thank you so much for subscribing, Jason.
Gotcha, bitch.
Thank you so much, man. I really appreciate the support. Thank you for subscribing with Twitch Primus. Okay. But there has to be motion here. Right, I'm moving this. But this is odd, right? So there should be, at least from the upper torso, should be a move to the right. But then holy shit, that looks so weird. What do you guys think? Huh? Hey, Collector, good morning. Hello, guys. It's not perfect, but it's a bit better. Also, what is that supposed to be? God, this looks dog shit, man. Skeletons. Looks better. Yeah, it does look a bit better. I agreed. It does. This still looks really bad, but yeah. I think it's also because of this. Ja. Ja. Oh ja. Ja. Mhm. Nah. Nah. I think I'll leave. Maybe like that. Nah, it can't just get shorter. Right. I think it should. And then obviously the spear. Oops. Moves one to the right. Maybe up. No, it can't move up. Okay. Okay, I'm happy. Holy shit, that took so long. I actually wanted to make an attack animation. Jaden, thank you very much. Sorry, my brain, I didn't sleep. Jaden, hello there on YouTube. And good morning, Sturdy Post. Cakez, you're struggling with this lag passion frame for what? Or what? This is how it should look like. Is this the arm or penis? I can't get banned here. The angle of the knee is wrong. What are you talking about? Which angle are we talking about? Do you mean this? Looks good to me, okay. But maybe this is better. Okay, let's not spend too much time on this. Let's export that. Then file, open recent, the skeleton walk. Copy that over, texture atlas. Actually get rid of this. Oops. Okay, it is aligned with this. Copy. Align that here. And then we add that into the game. Happy because now we have polished this in a way that can be used in game. It has 7 frames now. Good, that's fine. And I suppose I want to do an attack animation now, where I already know how I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna take this pose as a beginner. Right? And he is going to take the torso and slowly move down. While spreading his legs. Okay, and why is he spreading the legs? Because he's getting into position to toss a spear. Okay. Oh yeah, and we need a duplication of this to begin. So we go and slowly. And then as we do this, we also take this part here. Then move it to back. But not like this, actually. We move like that a bit back. Maybe that's too early. Wait. Here, and then add this to it. And this to it. Yeah. Like, why does this look so weird? Just wait. Okay. It is supposed to look... I'll show you in a second. This one here, together with this, moves to the right. Actually, we need that too. Like that, and then this one actually moves back. No, not that one. This moves back. So, can you see what's happening? He's like leaning backwards a little bit, right? You see that? And this hand flips and starts rotating up. Dude, rotate up. There we go. What are you doing? What is wrong with this? Stop. I hate this application sometimes, man. Okay. No! Fuck! Sorry. Dude! God damn it! Okay, one more try. Good morning, Pikachu. How? Fuck you! Stop baiting me! You could just fix the pixels by hand. Yeah, I know. This is a realistic human walking, showing his skeleton, therefore not a monster. Monster.
Thank you, Gouda Cheeseburgers, for 100 bits. Cheer 100.
My man, I appreciate it very much. Do I?
Athena Cakes.
Oh, I don't know. Don't think I have that anymore. That clip. I don't think I have it anymore. Actually. We removed that one? I think I did, yeah. I don't want to be like Cakes. I think that was toxic. Yeah. So obviously. Oh, completely destroyed, huh? That is making it completely destroyed. That sucks. We can definitely not do that with the head. We want to keep that. Even though I would love to rotate it a little bit. Wow. It's crazy how this gets deformed. Not a single one looks good. It was based. Best pay another 100 to check. Sounds? Wait. Shouldn't there be sound? Oh yeah, there is. Glot.io? I see, you did that. Abev, that's really cool.
Thank you, Raticide, for 100 bits.
My man, Raticide, thank you.
100.
Good morning, A Code and Green. How's it going, man?
Yes.
Yes. Yes.
Thank you Gouda Cheeseburgers for 100 bits. Cheer 100.
I don't want to be like Cakez. I don't want to be like Cakez. I don't want to be like Cakez. I don't want to be like Cakez.
I guess I didn't remove it, huh? That is really toxic, bro. Awesome. Toxic, but gonna make you rich. True, I guess.
I don't want to be like Cakez. I don't want to be like Cakez.
Shut the fuck up. Oh my god, how many are there? This is like, it takes the stream hostage for like 10 days. What the fuck, bro? Last one. Weird music, dude. Yeah.
I don't want to be like Cakez. I don't want to be like Cakez. I don't want to be like Cakez.
That is fucking toxic. Okay. I hope you had your fun. You had your fun, guys? Good. That new sound though, lol geez, he meant it in a good way. Yeah, I know. I know that. It's all good. I have to say, I didn't think I would spend this much time on the skeleton. You know?
Let me do control. And then I search for minus. There we go. Okay, so let's try this again.
And it doesn't work.
God damn it!
Mm-hmm. Of course. Typical. Godot, by the way. Isn't that awesome? Is it hot or cold? Well, it's starting to get cold because I barely have anything left. Okay, so this is the second before we toss. No. Compared to his shader, I'm pretty sure his one is way more complicated than mine. Release delayed. We'll see. It takes time to draw this, actually.
Thank God I'm back. No!
Ekant.
Uh-oh. What happened to penis? Okay. I'm pissed. I'm fucking pissed. I'm fucking pissed that I don't get a fucking break! I copy, Okay, I gotta make this arm. And then also I don't know how to explain that because it's starting to get fucking difficult! Like I suppose
What's your feedback on the rest
this
when you
is
check out the passive skill
just
tree
a
next week?
white.
Welcome.
Suppose we can just draw that. Wait. I need to make it faster. I'm too slow. You can't use it. Wow. What? What the fuck was that? Did you guys see that? What the fuck, huh?
Wisdom. Wisdom.
Bitch!
That's a
Daddy, chill.
Yeah.
Oh shit.
Man,
Holy shit, guys.
I'm
Are
gonna
you
break my
good?
monitor, I swear.
Is everything alright? Why are you spamming this? What's going on? Huh? Good old times.
Whenever I finally have
Hang on,
something
yeah. I
visually
mean-
pleasing.
Whenever I have something visually pleasing. Now just gonna try again. God damn it!
The door's open. I should not be so loud. That's actually a strategy because you have longer iframes.
Oh, I hate that boss.
Heal your mother! Oh! Keep spamming your attacks! Yes, bro! Keep spamming them! Boom, boom, boom!
I still can't do it. If I move the mouse so fast, it's so frustrating.
This part is so fucking dumb!
All you can talk about is money and fairy tales of eternal economic growth. How dare you?
Oh, shut up, you cunt!
Yeah, you little bitch.
Excuse me.
You were born with a bunch of money. I cannot believe I missed all those clips.
To that. Direction to this. And that worked.
Yeah? What is that clip? Don't remember that. Lol, you can see my skeletons.
Oh my god, oh my god, what a day, man. What a fucking day. Oh my god.
Yeah, that was a day. I remember that.
Oh my god, and the me and engines, man. The fucking UI rotates even here. What?
Oh my god!
Guys, we are looping now, I think.
What happened? What did I
When
do?
HUD rotated, perfect
No,
HUD
sorry.
implementation, yeah.
What the fuck is
What
that?
happened? You're not that
Microsoft
angry and
Office?
toxic
I
anymore
didn't
compared to the
understand
clips.
that.
Did your wife
Trash?
shame you?
Jesus.
No.
I'm sorry. Oh my god.
I'm not playing Elden Ring.
All
That's
you can
one
talk
big reason.
about is money
Yeah, they're
and
looping
fairy
now,
tales
guys.
of eternal economic
So,
growth.
yeah.
How dare you?
Oh, shut up, you cunt!
So we make a new layer. And then...
What is this?
Yesterday I was at the dentist's chair.
Oh, this one. Yeah.
Ah!
you fucking bitch!
Get your ass back here! For fuck's sake, make those dentists.
BTW, the final level on
Oh, yeah.
What's your
that-
feedback
that
on the
was
rest when you
crazy.
check out the passive skill tree next week?
So much like, this is me this, this is me that.
Oh, yeah, that was Vulcan. I remember. So, get your ass back here, yeah.
Why does it take 10 days to search for
That
intro
was
time?
Kiwi.
Why is the program crashing?
If I search for intro time! Oh my god!
I mean,
What's your
do I not
feedback on the
rage
rest when you
anymore?
check
Have
out
you
the passive
watched
skill
me
tree
try
next week?
Zig? Yeah, guys,
So we make a
they are
new
looping
layer.
now. Chill, bro.
Then
Yesterday I was at the dentist's
Oh
chair.
no, not this one again.
Ah!
This
Ah, you fucking bitch!
Get your ass back here! For fuck's sake, make those dentists.
BTW, the final level on
Imager?
Oh no, not this
Before
one.
C++.
Not this clip again. We need Zig and CMake clips. You guys just have to clip the stream moments, and then at some point I'll get to adding those. Yeah. If you create clips, then at some point I will be able to do it. Yeah. No, that's the truth.
Oh my god, man, fuck. Oh.
This clip's long, guys. Gonna be in for a ride. Just wait. It's a long clip. Great meme, my man.
Great meme, my man. 20 years older because of C++.
That's a
Yes, are we done yet? Crazy.
retard. Dark. Yeah. Oh shit.
Why does it take 10 days to search for intro time? Why is the program crashing if I search for intro time? Oh my god!
Oh wow, look at that, guys.
No! What?
Wait. What do you think?
What just happened there?
What do you think?
Oh! Oh!
Poof! Poof! Poof!
Oh!
We can't see it? Oh, you can't see it, of course, because there's a million videos on top. I wonder if all of these videos added to the content of the stream. Okay, I barely have any viewers left on YouTube. You successfully scared away all of the viewers. Good job, guys. Awesome.
What the fuck?
All two of them? Oh no, get your ass back here, YouTube videos, YouTube pigs.
I wanted to relax.
All YouTube videos, isn't it just Inukai anyways? Inukai is there all the time, yeah.
Aye. He spent 300 million on money compared to his.
I make a new one.
I'm pretty sure his one is way more complicated than mine, but we'll see.
The journey is usually the part that you remember anyways.
These fucking softwares!
Hello there, Progress. My man, long time no see. How's it going?
This is me that!
On YouTube. Yeah, I know. We are watching basically all the clips right now. Yeah, that looks shit.
Retard. Dark. Yeah. Oh shit.
I'm pissed. I'm fucking pissed. I'm fucking pissed that I don't get a fucking break.
Oh my god, are
How
we
can
done
this
yet?
application be so dumb?
In retrospective, disabling
No, I don't want to deal with
TTS,
this
yeah.
right now. I have no. This is fucking trash.
Yeah, you see, like
Copy.
this is the reason why I made it paid. Click the spam. This was usually back then. That was.
I don't know how to explain that because it's starting to get fucking difficult.
Like it was purely just a ginormous spam mechanism back then. It was crazy.
Is it hot or cold? Well, it's starting to get cold because I barely
how
have
many
anything
are there
left.
still? One, okay, thank God. The one thing I get from the clips is
Am
no
I so
raging
out of
equals no progress.
Pikachu's glitch is gifting 2 subs to the community.
Thank you, Pikachu, my man. Holy shit. Thank you so much for being so generous, man. I can't believe it. Thank you so much, man.
I drank a potion actually. I fucking drank a potion!
Okay.
Press the fucking button! Drink a
Bro, it's
fucking
me from
potion.
Twitch.
Like you
Oh,
dirty
really,
shit.
Rafi? You are progress on YouTube? My man.
What is Run Drive doing?
You're still... That's awesome. That's cool to see, bro. No, that is really cool to see.
Piss off. Doesn't look like a tower defense game to me. Bye.
Time to abuse.
Oh my god, these clips.
I'm a fucking toxic pure first time Twitter. Doesn't look like a tower defense game to me. Oh, this guy's not doing a tower defense game. He's doing something for his friends. Let me fucking leave. Fucking bitch. He's not programming at all. It's false advertising on Twitch. Fuck off, bitch.
TTS is fucking
Yeah, it was trash there and it's still trash. Indeed it is. 100%.
How can this application be so dumb? It never. No, I don't want to deal with this right now. I have no. This is fucking trash.
This is when my computer crashed, by the way, back then. I got so angry that I smashed my desk like multiple times and the PC crashed. And it was because of Visual Studio. All right, I think we have it. So there is no like thing, but okay, the last thing that we have to do is add the spear. Okay. Good. And then this is where we draw a white line. Doesn't have to be perfect. Just a white line that gets progressively less with each frame. And moves. Okay, there we go. This is the attack animation. Didn't I like just wanted to play this? No. Wait. No, stop. How do I play just that? F2? There we go. It's not perfect, but this is going to be the animation. And the spear is gonna fly after that. Timeout counter ++. By the way, am I the only stream on Twitch that has this timeout counter thing? Am I the only one? Because I don't see that in big channels, and usually that will just spam the entire channel. Do I have to disable this command? What timeout? Do you guys not see this? Wait, what? This vanish command, guys. Am I the only streamer that has this vanish command? Because, like, I don't see this in big YouTuber channels, ever. I literally have never seen that, ever, again. What's the purpose? To just get yourself banned. By yourself, I guess. Ban yourself. For 15 seconds. Nightbot has it by default. I've seen it in Sim's chat. He's a large horror streamer. Is it misused? I've told you it's from my bot. Many smaller channels have it. Oh, I see. So it is your bot. It is not actually something that you get by default when you're normally streaming. This is something that you have to enable. Depends on the bot channel. Yes. His mods ban people that abuse it. They're harsher. I think it's annoying. Could you like add in an option that lets me disable that? I think it's mostly just. I mean, usually it isn't really a problem, but it has been a problem sometimes, and it is distracting. No, you can't. Okay, thank you. Okay, very nice. I see. Interesting. Very nice. I appreciate it. All right, guys, the boring pixel art lesson or section is over. If you guys have been waiting for something more interesting, oh shit. Actually, it's not over yet. Debated. Okay, cool. We now have a night attack. C-Shot doesn't support that. Okay, let's see. Now, let's add in the night attack. We add this in here. I think how many frames was that? For the attack animation, actually. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5, okay. We have a frame count of 5. And we start on here. This is 1632. I'm still here with over 400,000 points. I gave some thought before Cakes, but I don't know what else you can do for channel points to redeem. I do have an idea, actually, for channel points in the future. I thought about, you know, for example, let's say we play not Darkest Dungeon. Let's say we play Dark Souls, right? Not TTS. And then I could give these points to a Wheel of Death. So, for example, someone redeems with, let's say, 50,000 points that I have to play with inverted controls for until I die or something, right? Stuff like that. This could be used for that. Brauchst du meine Hilfe? Okay, 1 second, my wife needs my help. Oh. 5,000 for 50,000 for TTS? Nah. Nice ideas, bro. Did you come up with that yourself? Go, you eat a dick, bitch, and put it in your fucking ass. Warte.
Quatsch?
Ja.
Ein bisschen hochgehen,
Ja, ich weiß.
Okay.
Okay. Willst du andere? Warte kurz.
Wie sieht das?
All right. 50,000 takes time, bro. Yeah, I know. Like, it will never even be possible to abuse it because it takes, a month to accumulate that 50,000. I'm thinking about it, right? Right now, I'm mostly have other stuff on my mind, but yes. Like, this was one idea, but I'm pretty sure there are other ideas. If you guys have any suggestions, you can definitely PM them to me, right? Those of you, most of you can already PM me, right? On Discord. Okay, so now that we have the night attack, let's add that in. Skeleton Knight run, idle run. This is your skill is attack. Okay, so and then we have the attack frame, I think. There is a frame index. Usability frame, yeah. On which frame do you use the ability? 1, 2, 3, 4. So 0, 1, 2, 3. I think it's 3. 100,000 points for stop streaming? Nah, that sucks. I will never add that in, bro. Your points shop is a wasteland. People are hoarding their points. Yeah, I know. We had some good ones, but then Snap Camera decided to become bullshit and lag out my computer. Otherwise, we would have that as well. How many points to each Nitz alive? I would just make a cooking stream then. Okay, we need to quickly create a new ability. Ability ID. Excuse me. We need a new ability and call that Spear Toss. Okay, I'm not gonna give it a ability description. Shield orbs. I guess that's fine. The ability description doesn't matter. And then we need a proper start. Let's get one. Boom, boom, boom. There we go. Oh, sorry. Oh, it's gonna be great. It's gonna be awesome. I'm gonna implement this, and then we have another enemy that uses an ability. Physical damage. How much does it do? 10 physical damage to the physical damage of the unit. It's gonna be great, guys. Yeah, just wait. Right now you don't see anything, but the skeleton is gonna toss a spear that flies indefinitely. I still have to figure out a way to... Is there a stat? Wait, let me see. Stat, projectile. We can add a stat for that. How far they fly. And then they just fly endlessly. Let's give it some 10 physical damage. Next level physical damage 10, and we have I guess a range. Next level range. Okay, let's turn that into 200. Good, and then the cooldown of the ability is 5 seconds. And we don't have a duration for this. Ability name, that doesn't really matter. We can put a to-do here. To-do proper name and icon. But it's not important. Okay. We have a physical and a not stat knockback, but this is a stat range. Stat range. Oh, is it attack radius? Might be attack radius. Range. Yeah. You can add a power sphere so I can catch that skeleton? No. Okay, how does this work again? I totally forgot. Okay, so we're adding this to the stats. Spear toss. Stats 2, add that in, yeah. I think we already have everything we need, do we? I think we do. Let's take one that already works. Yeah, this one works. Poison arrow does work. Increased, yeah. Okay, now we have this ability, and then what is it called? Spear toss, right? And then activate ability. This needs to be... Oh, we need a spear projectile really quickly. That is this big. Let me get that. This one. It's gonna look kind of dog shit in the beginning. The spear, I mean. But this is just for debug purposes. We're gonna make it look cooler later. Where do I put the spear? I guess I'll put it... Where do I put the spear? Here? I guess I'll put it here. I suppose I'll make it look a little bit cooler here, and we give it... There we go. This is the spear. What do you use instead of CMake? I use a build.sh file, elo or Wariak. The build.sh file builds my program using LLVM. Okay, good. Oh yeah, we need to create an asset for that. Let's see, weapons, items, sprite, Viking, ranger, town, mission previews, chest, glow, money bag, icon, chest, glow, wolfang, slash. I guess we do sprite, spear. Toss, spear. Then wolf, fang, case. And now it is 16. Oh, I love programming, you know. Even though I'm really tired, I just love this. You know, it feels good to be back in the game and making progress. It's so awesome that in the beginning of the stream I didn't know what to do. And now I'm still working on something. It's awesome, you know. It gets you back into the field. Really nice. Don't use CMake? I think you can use CMake if you don't overuse it too much. Wind slash... Oh yeah, there is one last... You will do that right now. Spear toss. We need another target stat. That is float. And also we don't need the next level. Because it doesn't really matter. Float. A pierce count is 1,000. Start pierce count is going to be pierce count. Actually, we can put 1,000 here. We can hardcode this. And so, for example, this one is going to be 200 range, and the physical damage is just going to be 30. There we go. And maybe no, actually we keep this, to be honest, because I might actually want to scale this with level. So why not? Right. But pierce count... 1,000. Cakez numbers are OP. CMake build is a build generator. It can generate Visual Studio files for you. It works with Clang, MSVC, and GCC. Yeah, you can use CMake with LLVM, but it does take a little bit of time to set up everything. It does. It works. I didn't manage to get it to work though, so I stopped. Okay, back to here. There's one thing that always spawns a projectile. One case here. There we go. Healing circle. No, actually not this one. There's another one. Holy shit, I have many abilities. Yeah, there we go. So, case, ability, spear toss. Creates a projectile. Which sprite, ability, spear toss. Has the sprite spear from the toss. Spear. Yeah, that's right. And an explosive sprite, no. And then the projectile, anything in particular? What is the projectile? How long it is? Range. Oh yeah, the range. Get a range from the activator. It takes in the ability and takes that range into account. Okay. Yeah. All right. I think I have to restart. And then we have one new ability. Oh yeah, we need to add that ability to the knight. Knight. How do I do that again? This one right here. Not sure why I need to call init entity stats, but I have to. What is this doing? Health, previous health, weapon, sprite ID, stats. Not sure why that is important. Oh, because it's... Why do I have to do this? This has nothing to do with that. This has nothing to do. This has nothing to do with it. Maybe I don't need to do this anymore. Might not need to do this. Okay, I wonder if this works now. If we have a skeleton that tosses a spear, that would be awesome, because then I have a new enemy in the game that does annoying things to my units. And then I can also give him a target priority. Let's see. Spawn a bunch of units. See if they actually pierce and how far they fly. Okay. Oh, they are still the other way around. Okay, that sucks. They're moonwalking. Oh my god. They're moonwalking, god damn it. What is the range? Are you not using the ability? No ability used? They start with full life? They don't start... No, this is a bug. I have to fix that. Actually, that should work. Alright, okay, I think I added this... I'm not adding the ability. Wait, I'm stupid. I didn't do e-abilities add. Whoops. Okay, well, forgot that. And then, one last thing, obviously. We have to... canvas horizontally, and then we export that like this. Open recent walk PNG. Very good. Get rid of this. Where's my skeleton? Huh? Ah, here. Oh, I can't wait. Oh no. The cool thing is I can just do this in game. They should be attacking with their spears now. Right? No? Maybe I have to restart. I did build, right? There weren't any issues? Let's see. They don't attack. That's a bit odd. I'm confused. There should be an ability here. Yeah, they do. What is happening here? The ability has, let's see. We have an ability. It doesn't have a cooldown. That's bad. Time passed. Okay. If the time passed is greater or... Huh? How is delta time 0? That's some bullshit here. Huh? Oh, I see. Yeah, of course. Delta time is 0 because the game's paused. Now, let's see. We have an ability here. Delta time should be, yeah. Time passed is greater or equals than the cooldown, and we have not used an ability yet. Okay, then we get the target priority of the ability, which is weak. Fine. We try to look for a hero, and it doesn't find a hero. Okay, so this function must be wrong then. Fine, we get the next one. We have many more. I would also consider other options. Heard of pre-make, but never worked with it. To be honest, I'll avoid CMake as long as possible, and it was a strong reason why I got away from C++ in my own projects. Wait, you stopped using C++ for your own projects? Did you try Odin? Odin, I can recommend it. It's really good. Odin, you don't have to deal with any of these stupid build systems. Using J? Oh, you can use J. Well, then. Odin, in my opinion, is just as good as J. Yeah, I think they are both... They're both really, really good. So if you have access to J, you can use it, or if you don't, Odin is, in my opinion, the way to go. Oh, excuse me. Let's see. Taunt buff, no. We go and look through all of the heroes. And, oh, I think the is in range always happens, right? Let's see, the target is one enemy. The rect collider for the target position. And then the attack. Origin 50, radius 2. Attack range. Get range on the attacker. Wait a minute. Ability none. Wait a minute. I found the issue. Wait. Now I'm confused. We'll figure this out. We have an ability. Oh, wait. We have an ability here. It has an ID. Then we look for a hero to attack. And we have the ability here. And then we... Aha. The is in range function here doesn't take in the ability ID. There we go. That was the issue. They don't have range. Jay has too much stuff, Immo. Too much stuff? What do you mean by too much stuff, bro? Almost 2 years already. Time flies. I'm in the beta for like almost a year now, and it has been very cool. Yeah, I mean, Randy also is making an entire video game in J, and I think he's actually going to release it. As far as it looks right now. I'm pretty sure he's currently dealing with some boring recoding sessions and adding in some new features that maybe he has to rework old systems. But I could see his next devlog being showcasing a lot of progress. All right, let's see. Oh. Okay, so they don't really... interesting. Oh, interesting. Okay. I wonder what happens here. Yeah, look for hero to attack. They should get one, right? They get a hero. Then they transition into use skill. Okay. Animation index. Usability frame, okay. Does this happen at some point? Huh? Does this ever happen? No. Huh. Why? Hey. Randy uploaded his last devlog about 2 months ago. Where is he? He's probably working on the game. Animation state, use skill, animation sprites. We have attack here and run here. And use skill is number 4. It doesn't. He doesn't seem to be animating himself, which is odd. Why is the animation index always 0? Draw UI text. No, draw format UI text. That would be edx, and then %d, and then enemy animation index. And the position, wait, that. The position would be e position origin. Enemy position origin. It does take time to create meaningful changes in a game that is somewhat advanced, you know. Code and agree. No, I'm emo. Making changes to a game later on does take a long time. They all have index 0. Okay, fine. Then index and anim time. Percentage point to F. E cast time, I think. Enemy casting time. Cast time. Let's see what that looks like. How about we just do a comma? Or like a \n. It's 0. Ability time passed. Can we use the ability? Yeah. Animate enemy. This one, is it? If they are in used skill, they add... Do we add to the cast time? Cast delay. Yeah, the cast time never gets increased, which I think is the issue.
Gotcha, bitch!
But it should... Oh, it transitioned into the animation. Wait a minute. Eh? It transitions into run. If animation set... I think this is wrong. Thank you very much for following, and Pancakes. Cakes, more polls for chat would be... party head. What do you think? Yeah, sure, but what type of polls? I can ask someone of the mods to do that. What type of polls would you like to see? I still don't commit an actual game. I still don't commit to an actual game. Been doing more tech and rendering stuff, but maybe one day. Yeah, a game is a big one. So if you want to make a game, maybe you can start small. If you ever want to do that. That is, right? Fuck, man. I have a feeling this... Check if we are casting an ability. Cast time until using the ability and until it is done. Let's see. So I suppose the cast delay is 1 second, okay? If the animation state is use skill, which it is, then we add to the cast time. Why 0? Because it's okay. Let's see, we have cast time now, right? Yeah. Time passed. It's greater than the cooldown. Look for hero to attack. We transition into the animation. Okay. I should only spawn one enemy. Give me a second. If I spawn that many, then it is just difficult to keep track of this. Maybe new ideas for channel points. By the way, Cakes, have you picked a PoE build or are you going to make your own? I'm going to make my own. And we're going to do solo self-found hardcore. I'm going to pick one of the gems. We are also going to read the patch notes then. And then I will decide what type of build I do and I will define the rules as I go. But the rules are usually, you know, the typical rules. Like don't die because it's hardcore. Don't follow a guide. Experiment with the skill. Use the skill as early as possible, right? Stuff like that. So it's a little bit more interesting and I learn some stuff about the game. SSF hardcore, so again, no endgame content. Yeah, most likely not very much endgame content, yeah. Struggle to getting to maps, most likely. And maybe some DPS struggle as well. We'll see. But I'm excited. I'm happy. We will do the league mechanic early on. We'll try to do the league mechanic as best we can, right? Yeah, stuff like that. And if you have some cool ideas, feel free to tell me about it as well. Alright, now I changed this really quickly. We only spawn one skeleton now, so I can read whatever that's called, reload. And then as this guy gets here, we can start. So something resets this time, it looks like. Let's see. I want to understand what that is. So we should have a cast delay and a cast time, which gets increased. Good. We find the hero to attack. We transition into... Ah, I see. We transition to the use skill animation. Okay. Does that mean the cast time has been changed back to 0? No. And we draw that. Animation index is not greater. And I think that's it. No more abilities. If we are currently using a skill, which we are returning. Okay. Interesting. Ah, I see. It's probably this that's resetting it. Let's see. Enemy cast time. It's gotta be this one. 100%. Yeah. Okay, I found the issue. Hey, Diamond, my man, good morning. Hello, my man. How's it going, bro? Are you gonna play PoE today? Animation time, yeah. Animation time, cast time, and then we need to set the animation time. Like this. P omega lol E. Okay, bro. So I guess you don't. Interesting. Very funny. Very freaking funny. I don't have time to learn 700 gem interactions. You don't need to learn all of that to have fun in the game, okay, bro? Oh! Oh shit. He tossed like 10 fucking spears. Holy shit, why did that happen? He activated the ability here. Oh, I love scrolling here. Spawn projectiles. Activate ability. Why? But we use the... Ah, I see. I get it now. So whenever we do this here, we also need to keep the bull. Wait. Enemy. Used ability, huh? Guys, we have it now. Yay! Awesome! Sorry. Sorry. Okay. 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 Relax. Elemental hit seems to be a good choice for a starter. Most wonders require gear and are bad starters. You had something extra in your coffee this morning? No, I had no sleep tonight, so my brain is kind of... Excuse me. Oh yeah. I'm sorry. Goodness. So when are you getting Travian-like MMO mode for Cakez 2D? What? Did this actually build? Did you actually build here? Guys, I have a question. I'm gonna show you something in a second, and you guys could tell me if it is a terms of service breach for something. Congress wants you to stop writing C++. Yeah, I know, but they are stupid. They're dumb. All right, let's see. Where is he shooting at? That aim, yeah. Also, why is he in the wrong... Why is he shooting in the wrong direction? What is going on there? Where's the face the enemy thing? I think I have this in update hero. Ah. Oh, wait. Thank you very much for subscribing to YouTube, bro. Wait, enemies will attack PorkChamp? Yeah, they will. Bottom right, the arrow sprite is aiming at the top left of the sprite. I think it is. And the reason why, by the way, is because of this. Wait a minute. Hello mate, does this arrow have some features on dot in C#? It belongs of that main object like hero components is translated to hero components in C#. Does the arrow have some features on dot? Does the arrow have some features? This one, this arrow. Yeah, this arrow has some features. But I don't really know what you mean, to be honest. The arrow means dereferencing a pointer. Oh, I see. You're asking what the arrow is. The arrow operator is just a pointer dereferencing. Yeah, dereferencing a pointer. The arrow in the code is literally just the same as dot in C#, yes. Not 100%, but you can think about it like that, yes. It accesses the members of the projectile. Exactly. Where is he shooting at? Where are they shooting at? I'm assuming that it's somewhere here. Huh? Aha, okay, so it was too small. Let's make it a bit smaller. It's somewhere here. I'm starting to have too many projectiles. Okay. This does seem to be correct though. Yeah, it is the middle. Then... Where's the line going? I suppose I can see the line. Huh? I see. It's the collider. The issue is the collider. It's the ground collider here. This needs to be called ground collider. And then over here, we don't want to use the ground collider. We want to get origin collider from the enemy. Ground collider? Did I really call it ground collider? Grout collider. God damn it. By the way, we're gonna have some issues soon. Oh god. There's quite a few enemies. Tossing some spears. Yeah. Mm-hmm. Okay, I think we are now. They should now flip. And they should start shooting at my dude. But I guess they don't reach far enough. Or the arrow doesn't have a big enough collider. Because it should hit. Which means I have to define colliders for this. Which means spear toss. Yeah. Explosion sprites. Projectile type. Oh, this is so bad. This is really bad. Okay. Update and draw projectiles 2. Yeah, this is bad. Auto collide projectiles contains ID. What about the collider? Get rect collider from the target and collider position. Collider. Projectile rect collider. Yeah, where's that coming from? Ah, bro. Do I not set one? Spawn projectiles. Yeah, it doesn't. Imagine making GORD colliders and then debugging for us why the code doesn't work. Let me quickly draw this. Rect collider. Projectile.rect collider.position. No, actually, offset, I guess. Projectile.position. And then projectile.rect collider.size. And then in .material .color is color red. Alright, let's see. Where's the rect collider? I don't think there is anything. Yeah, look how small it is. It doesn't touch. It barely misses. Because there is no rectangular collider. You see those red dots? This is the collider. Which means we have to add one. Let's see, rect, colliders, array, ability count. Technically, if we convert some of the codes in C++ to C#, does it like enemy target ID equals hero target ID? Is like in a class of enemy, in its target ID property, set its value to the hero's class target ID property? Yes. If you were to convert that, then that would be it. Exactly. Exactly. Thank you very much for following, Rekaru. No, Rekakur. Sorry about that, man. Oh, yeah, I see. And then, of course, where is the collider in the projectile? At the very end. Okay. There we go. Hello, what are you doing? Hello there, bro. Oh, and Vulko Emi, thank you very much for being a supporter. Oh. Lol. Holy moly. Where's the direction coming from? The collider, I guess. Yeah, it works. OP, of course, it's supposed to be OP because you're not supposed to have that many. But let's see how much it actually does if it's just one. Thank you very much for being a supporter on YouTube, man. I really appreciate that. Hello, what are you doing? We are currently implementing a new type of enemy that runs and tosses a spear at us. Oh my god! Let's get rid of... Let's get rid of that debug drawer. Or at least rotate that. Right. I guess we'll like put that in like a to-do here. To-do debug. So we keep that. And then spear toss. Let's give it a cooldown now.
Gotcha, bitch.
Wait. Shouldn't this have a cooldown already? Why can you keep using it? Thank you guys for following, Froslas and Azriel. Hello, I know the map in the background, I think. I don't know. Yeah, this is in Bloons. Not sure if he reads YouTube chat, Blue. Oh, yes, I do. I just missed that message. Is there a reason you're using Visual Studio Code instead of Visual Studio? I like Visual Studio Code more. I basically grew up with it as a programmer. And not grew up, but by the time I was 26 or 27 when I started learning to code, right? Because I literally wasted my life away. That's when I started to pick up Visual Studio Code. And so I grew up with that, right? It was my first editor, really, that I took seriously and stuck with it. I wasted my life away. And 17 years ago, that wasn't 17 years ago, okay. And yeah, we're gonna waste away our time today as well, because there is a Path of Exile coming out. You got a follow for two things. One, you are a C++ coder. Two, great taste in video games. Thank you. PoE time is not wasted time. Why does this not go on cooldown? Also, where are you shooting it? Why is this not on cooldown? This should have a cooldown. I don't understand. Oh, wait, maybe? Update enemy. I think it's this section here. So I have quite a few things, but how do we do this again? Array of ability and size. Guys, how do we do that? Abilities is enemy abilities. Give me a second. How can I determine this size here? Using a template. Do I have to do template? Type? No, is it type name? Or can I not do a template in there? Is this not possible to do in code, in a function? I don't understand how having a library exclusive to Bloons, Gothic and PoE is great taste, but Go Off King. Gothic is literally one of the best games ever made, okay? You wouldn't even know it because you don't play that. You have not played that, okay? It's one of the best games ever. Now, granted, the English translation is dogshit. I agree. However, it is still very good, okay? I have it on GOG, but okay, but did you play it? I would assume you didn't. Okay. Do you mean you wished to start programming earlier? I wished I would have taken... It depends, right? Because I learned how to interact with girls. I was basically a person that was completely socially awkward and... at the same time dumb. At the same time I was also dumb. So yeah, I had literally no education in anything. So yeah, you can only focus on one thing at a time, I guess, right? I think I'm better now. If you started learning programming earlier, you would be using real language like C. I don't know. Probably not. Was? Just joking? It's fine. I can take a joke. So guys, can I put this on here, or do I have to do max bar abilities, I guess? Fine. Abilities and then enemy abilities. Since this is a structure, it works. And then we also have the attack direction, I guess. Or is it attack direction? Attack direction, yeah. So many things. Okay, I think now there should be no more bugs. Hopefully. Holy shit. Crazy, this still hit. Damn, that's crazy. Oh, I can't place my dude on a dead body. I see. But why can they keep using it? Why can they keep using it? Why is it not going off cooldown? Because I keep the abilities, I guess. Init enemy of type. That's odd. Skills section. I'm confused. Wait, if I'm correct, the ability doesn't have a cooldown for some reason.
He spent 300 million on money. Which library you use? Oh, I see. I have written my own code to do that. I have followed this principle here. Not this one.
Master, the calculations are in and the powers of your brain are overwhelming.
Huh? Huh? Am I blind? Am I reading this wrong? I see now. I see now. I'm a stupid idiot. No, I'm not a stupid idiot, okay? That... Stats. Okay, sorry about that. I think now it works. Do you set it again after the first time? No, I wasn't doing this loop. Essentially, I have base stats, and these base stats need to be copied over into the, let's say, current values. Ah, okay, I'm gonna go to Twitch. No, Blue, I answered your question actually, but you can come over to Twitch for sure. Of course. If you want to. Come on over, sir. There we go. Now it actually has a cooldown, right? There we go. Okay, works. Which means they should now... Huh? Why do they still have cooldown? No. OP? No, it's OP because they don't have a cooldown. It's really annoying. This is literally the last thing I have to do, because then the ability is implemented in the game. Why does it still have 0? Makes no sense to me. Huh? You're a smart idiot, OP. What? Remove the camera filter for filter redemptions. No. Bad coding. Run! Sorry. Fucking pisses me off. Why is he shooting in the other direction? Why are you shooting in the other direction? Where's this set? Maybe this is it. This is for heroes, actually. I don't understand why he moves, like he shoots in the correct direction, but then after that frame is over, he like inverts. So essentially, I see. This should always happen. Wait. This attack direction must be, seems like it's resetting or something. Let's see. Okay, so he's shooting here. And then this if has an else, right? Should be to the right. Positive X, okay. Still positive X. Cast time, he's currently casting, which means he is slowly starting to attack, right? See that? And now this is when the spear flies. Boom. And then all of a sudden his attack direction, or him being drawn, changes. All of a sudden he is here, even though he's still shooting in this direction. So I suppose what we have to do is turn this, where's this if statement? Face into the direction. Wait. Ah, I see what the issue is. I understand. Sorry, I know what it is. It is the stupid facing direction that I'm not keeping. And for those of you who are wondering why I am like doing this ginormous amount of code here, I'm saving all of this dog shit and then I'm like literally reapplying it. The reason why I'm doing this is so that it allows me to hot reload enemies, if that makes sense. So I have in my engine a way to hot reload code, which means you can see how I'm coding and it stays, if that makes sense, it... how do I say that? I can change code and then see the update in game, right? Without having to close it. And while doing that, sometimes I want to change data on my enemies. Let's say their attack values, their HP values. I want to basically, how do you call that? I want to balance them while the game is running, because then it is easier for me to balance the game. I can set up a loop that runs indefinitely and I can tweak the values until I feel like it feels right. And so in order to do that, I need to do some initialization code every frame. I need to do that because this is copying over the data. But if I create, let's say, create a new enemy, right? I initialize a new enemy with 0 values. I need to, before I do that, save a bunch of values that I need to copy over, after these have been initialized, if that makes sense. So this is some data that changes every frame and needs to be saved. And that's what I'm copying over here. It's a huge statement and very error prone, and I should probably do it better, but yeah. Hot reloading is amazing. Yeah, it is an amazing feature, 100%. And I would not be able to program my game without it, 100%. Okay, cool. Let's see if the next time he tosses a spear... Awesome. That works. So the idea is now that these guys can pierce. Boom. See that? This is crazy. Now, obviously, this attack is a little bit OP, right? But in terms of balancing, we'll see. I can make it a little bit easier. Or not easier. I can make it a little bit weaker. Right? Instead of... Oh, it's literally the physical damage of the unit. So I would have to make that one weaker. So that would be the knight. The skeleton knight has too much attack. He has 120 physical damage. How about we give him 50 physical damage? Game ready now, ship it. Well, we have one more enemy in the game. Now he has 50 damage and it should be updated immediately. You see that? This is why I do this type of... This is cool, man. This is awesome. Yeah. Obviously, these guys are very powerful. And the idea is that they spawn over time. Actually, these are much bigger than the other skeletons that I have in my game. Cool. We now have a new type of enemy in the game that can attack and has a unique ability. Will you implement some tank towers that do no damage but can block such enemy attacks? I have a tank already. This guy. If I'm lucky. Yeah. He should be strong enough now to not get one shot. Oh lol, why is this white? Oh wow. I'm gonna figure out why it is white. But yeah, you see that? he is very tanky now. So yes, and he has some abilities like taunt and stuff that work. Why is this white? Why the fuck is this white, man? I think it's because it's additive blending. Armor on the character. Rendering options. No, actually.
Gotcha, bitch.
Thank you very much for following, Lalga. I appreciate it, bro. Why is it white? Find out in the next episode, yeah, of Dragon Ball Z! I'm literally drawing this helmet here. It can't be white. So, yeah, let's see. Armor sprite. Offset, Atlas offset 1056. It looks like 1056 to me. And 784. Yeah, it's drawing this. Weird. Animation sprite. I see that is the unit. Okay. It draws... Oh, I see. Sprite ham. Hello there, Lalga. Dragon Ball Zig. Dragon Ball Zig. Oh.
Gotcha, bitch.
Bruh. Demaga, thank you very much for following too, bro. Why? Oh, the additive color of the hero? Maybe it's this. Ah, it is. Okay, cool. It was the additive color. I changed it so that... Poof. Cool. I don't think we use this material anymore. Additive color makes it white, of course. And then we have the shield here. Yep, cool. Does work. And we can give him some... They do have a lot of armor, so he's not doing any damage. Awesome. It does work. Oh wow, now they focus him. Stop it. Yikes. Yeah, they target the weak. You know, which would be this guy. Lol, they keep hitting the dead unit. Might be dot material. Yeah, the material was it. If you have on hit white effect, it might have affected the items. Yeah, exactly. Oh wow, look at the glow. This looks really good. I have bloom in the game. That's why it looks like that. Cool. Awesome. This is nice. 4 hours left for league start? No way. Really? Shit, I have to sleep. Wait, really? Yeah, guys, I'm gonna all go off then. I have to sleep. I didn't sleep all night. Oh no, why is it so early, man? I thought it was like, wait. Why is it 7? It was usually on 8. Or 9. Oh my god, it's so already 3 o'clock. It's already 4. Oh. Okay, guys, I have to go. Yeah, I have to go. Is there someone we can raid? I appreciate the support, guys. Yeah. Thank you very much for joining. I really do appreciate the support. I hope you all have a wonderful day. I'll see you all in... Fuck! In, yeah. Raid Dev Spudges. See you later. You guys can tell him I gotta go. I need to sleep. Awesome. I can sleep for like 2 hours only. Oh. Anyways, see you tomorrow. Peace. Bye.